guys, welcome back to Talk with the Doc. Today, I want to talk about chiropractic care and babies. I know we've covered this before, but I've actually been seeing a lot of misinformation on social media lately, and I want to clarify a few things. The big question, why would a baby need to be adjusted? That's crazy. I've never heard of that. Babies actually go through a lot to get earthside. When you think about the nature of birth and the contractions and the way that they're growing in utero for 9 months, that's a lot on baby's spine, especially an immature spine that is not fully developed and a nervous system that is not fully developed. When we know how chiropractic care affects the nervous system, it does wonders for babies who are stuck in that fight or flight mode from the birthing process to help them calm down. It can help really just bring ease to the body, and in turn, parents report things like baby has an easier time with bowel movements. They sleep better, they nurse better. When we're looking at tension in the face, the neck, the head, overall body tension, it just helps babies really thrive. If you want to talk more in detail about the benefits that parents are seeing with getting their babies adjusted, I'd be more than happy to dive into that. The second thing that I've been seeing a lot of is chiropractic care is actually really dangerous for babies. Well, we are not adjusting babies the way that we are adjusting adults. It is not a WWE wrestling match. The pressure that we're applying to baby's spine is actually what you would apply to your eyelid to apply eyeshadow or to check the ripeness of an avocado. It's super gentle. Most of the time, you can't even really tell what we're doing. I've actually had people be like, "Are you doing anything?" And the answer is yes, we are adjusting your baby and we are bringing ease and balance to the nervous system. And it doesn't take the big rack and cracks that you see on TikTok. It's nothing like adjusting an adult. And even adults, you don't need to be racked and cracked to get results. But anyways, babies, you shouldn't even really hear them pop when they adjust. It's so gentle. Doesn't mean that sometimes babies don't cry during an adjustment, because they are feeling changes in their bodies and it is different and we are releasing tension and it's just something new, right? But most of the time, babies are sleeping through their adjustments. They're laughing, giggling, smiling, all of the things. Very, very, very gentle. And then the third thing I've been seeing is chiropractors are not educated. And also, so far from the truth. We do have a doctorate degree. We have many hours of education. I was in school for 7.5 years to get my degree. And that does not include all of the extra education that I've taken to have specialized training in perinatal and pediatric chiropractic care. I've had hundreds and hundreds of hours when it comes to extra training in these two specific demographics. I understand why people are confused about those things, because there is a lot of misinformation on the internet, and perinatal and pediatric chiropractic care is fairly new to most people. While it's been around since chiropractic was born, it just wasn't well advertised, because chiropractic care is mostly known for neck pain, back pain, headaches, and those types of things. But pediatric and perinatal chiropractic care is very beneficial. Chiropractors who typically specialize in those things have tons of extra trainings, and we are well educated, and we are educating our patients on the risks and the benefits of those things, and we are doing our due diligence. And so I just kind of wanted to dispel some of those myths. If you have questions or concerns, let's chat about it. And if you have other questions about things that you have maybe heard about chiropractic care and are not sure of, let's do a talk with a doc. Let's just dispel all the myths. I would love to talk about it, because I absolutely love what we do. We see miracles every single day. The benefits to them, the chiropractic care, is not lost on me. I actually believe in it with every cell of my being, and we have the receipts to show for it. We want to shout it from the rooftops. And when we see things of people shaming other people for seeking out chiropractic care for different things, especially for their babies who may be struggling, it breaks my heart, because there is so much misinformation. Just wanted to get on a little soapbox this morning. If you have questions, let us know. Have a great day.